In 2025, the possibilities for earning $5,000 per month have expanded, thanks to technological advancements and a shifting job market. Whether you're seeking side income or looking to transition into full-time entrepreneurship, there are various avenues to achieve this financial goal. Let's discuss 5 methods, each with practical steps to help you reach $5,000 per month. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most accessible and flexible ways to generate significant income. With businesses continuously seeking expertise in various fields, there's an increasing demand for freelance professionals in writing, design, programming, marketing, and more. Procedure. Step 1. Identify your skills. Assess what you're good at. If you have experience in graphic design, writing, or web development, these are excellent areas to start. Step 2. Create a strong portfolio. Showcase your work in an online portfolio. If you're just starting, offer discounted services to build your portfolio and gather client testimonials. Step 3. Sign up for freelance platforms. Register on freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal. Fill out your profile with details about your services, expertise, and samples of previous work. Step 4. Start small and build a reputation. When beginning, take on smaller projects to build trust and gain reviews. As your credibility increases, raise your rates. Step 5. Network and expand your client base. Beyond platforms, network with potential clients via LinkedIn, industry events, and social media. Referrals are also an excellent way to grow your business. Freelancers often charge between $30 to $100 per hour, depending on expertise. To make $5,000 per month, around 150 hours of work may be necessary, depending on your rate. 2. E-commerce. Online stores provide a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs to earn passive or active income. Whether you sell physical products, dropship, or focus on digital items like ebooks and courses, the potential is vast. Procedure. Step 1. Pick your niche. Start by selecting a niche with demand. It could range from niche clothing to custom-made jewelry or digital products like templates or ebooks. Step 2. Set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy offer simple ways to set up an e-commerce store. If you're selling digital products, platforms like Gumroad and Teachable can help. Step 3. Source or create products. If you're selling physical products, you can either create them yourself or partner with a supplier. For digital products, create downloadable content like guides, courses, or templates. Step 4. Market your store. To generate traffic, use SEO, social media marketing, and pay-per-click advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, etc. Collaborating with influencers can also help expand your reach. Step 5. Scale your business. As sales increase, consider automating your processes, such as inventory management, fulfillment, and marketing, to free up more time to focus on scaling. Achieving $5,000 per month in e-commerce may involve selling 200 products at an average price of $25, $50, depending on your niche. It might take time to build traction, but with effective marketing, this is entirely possible. 3. Real estate. Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to generate significant passive income. Whether through traditional rental properties or short-term vacation rentals, the rental market offers substantial potential for income generation. Procedure. Step 1. Research the real estate market. Start by investigating the real estate market in your area or in regions with high demand for rentals. Properties near universities, tourist spots, or in up-and-coming neighborhoods are great options. Step 2. Secure financing. If you don't have enough capital to buy a property outright, consider obtaining a mortgage or partnering with investors. Many real estate investors start with down payments and use rental income to cover their loans. Step 3. Purchase the property. Once you have financing, purchase a property that offers a good return on investment. Single-family homes or duplexes are great starting points, though multifamily properties can provide higher returns. Step 4. Rent out the property. After purchasing the property, find tenants or list it on platforms like Airbnb for short-term rentals. Long-term rentals offer stability, while short-term rentals often yield higher returns. Step 5. Manage your property. You can either manage the property yourself or hire a property management company. This allows you to collect rent, address maintenance issues, and ensure your property remains profitable. To earn $5,000 per month from rental properties, you might need 2, 3 properties depending on their rental income. 4. Stock market investing. Investing in stocks offers a path to passive income, primarily through dividends and capital appreciation. With a solid understanding of the market, you can build a portfolio that generates substantial monthly returns. Procedure? Step 1. Learn the basics of investing. Before jumping into the stock market, it's crucial to understand the basics. Research stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Resources like books, courses, and financial advisors can help deepen your knowledge. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. Platforms like eAsterisk, Trade, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab offer a user-friendly experience with low fees. Step 3. Focus on dividend stocks. Choose dividend-paying stocks that offer regular payouts. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, and utility companies are popular choices for higher dividend yields. Step 4. Reinvest your earnings. To accelerate your wealth building, reinvest dividends into more shares. This will allow your investments to compound over time and boost your future returns. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. To manage risk, diversify your investments across different sectors and asset classes. This reduces the likelihood of heavy losses if one stock or sector underperforms. To reach $5,000 per month in dividends, you'll likely need a portfolio worth several $100,000. 5. Content creation. The digital landscape offers immense opportunities for content creators to earn significant income. Whether through YouTube videos, blogging, or social media, content creation can help you monetize your creativity and knowledge. Procedure. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche you are passionate about, whether it's travel, tech, fitness, or education. The key is to choose a topic with a large, engaged audience. Step 2. Produce high-quality content. Consistently create engaging content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Invest in good equipment and software to improve the quality of your output. Step 3. Build your audience. Use SEO, social media marketing, and collaboration with other creators to grow your audience. The larger and more engaged your following, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize. Step 4. Monetize your content. Once your platform gains traction, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are great platforms for ad revenue and partnerships. Step 5. Diversify income streams. Consider creating additional revenue streams like memberships, exclusive content, online courses, or merchandise to increase your earnings. Many creators earn $5,000 a month or more once they have a substantial following. Each option requires time, effort, and a willingness to learn. But with persistence and a proactive approach, these strategies can generate the income you desire. Choose a path that aligns with your skills and interests, and take the necessary steps to turn your goals into a reality. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.